Hello students, my name is Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Gnyan school. Today we will study class 4, chapter 4, the story of Amrita. Students, you see trees all around us. Trees are of different kinds. Some trees are short while some are tall. Some trees shed their leaves while some are green throughout the year. The story of Amrita is a true story from long ago, almost 300 years ago. In a village called KHEJADI lived Amrita. KHEJADI village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The village got its name because of many KHEJADI trees that grew there. The people of the village had great respect and care for plants and animals. They believed that they could not survive without plants. Amrita would get up early in the morning and greet her friends, the trees. She would put her arms around the tree and express her gratitude towards the tree. This is the picture of KHEJADI trees. The KHEJADI tree is found mainly in the desert areas. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for making medicines. People cook and eat its fruits, that is the beans. The wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. Animals in this area eat the leaves of the KHEJADI trees, and children like you love to play in its shade. Students, you all know that plants and trees are very useful to us. They play a very vital role in our lives. Trees are homes to many animals and birds. In this picture, you can see how the trees are homes for many animals and birds. Animals like monkeys, bear, they live on the trees. Birds build their nests on the trees. And in this way, many animals survive and live on trees. Human beings depend on trees for food and their livelihood. In this picture, you can see we get fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, and so many things from trees. Trees also provide us with wood. Do you know for what is wood used? Wood is used to make furniture, build houses, and it is also used as fuel. In this picture, you can see how it is used to make furniture, to build houses, and it is used as a fuel. We also get gum, rubber, and spices from trees. In this picture, you can see this is a picture of a gum, spices, and rubber. We get rubber from rubber tree. Trees also prevent soil erosion. Trees keep the air fresh by giving us oxygen. Trees also help us to control the global warming. We should not cut trees. We should grow more trees. Students, have you heard about the word deforestation? What is the meaning of deforestation? Deforestation is cutting the trees in the forest without planting new trees. That is called deforestation. Forests are cut down by human beings for wood, for farming, to build houses, to build dams and factories. This leads to decrease in the number of trees and cause global warming. So, we should not cut trees. We should grow more trees. Due to the cutting down of the trees, the amount of rainfall is also decreasing day by day, which leads to shortage of water. One day when Amrita went to greet her trees, she saw that there were some strangers in the village. They had axes with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree and put her arms around the tree and hugged the tree tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go of. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for trees. This affected the king greatly, and he ordered that from then on no trees would be cut and no animals would be harmed in that area. The people of this area are called Bishnois. Every person in this village protect the trees and animals. Even today, the Bishnois protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. Children, do you know that there are rules against hunting of animals? People are not allowed to hunt animals. Many people hunt animals for their skin, for their tusks, like elephants are hunted for their tusks and other parts of the body. So in this way, people kill the animals. But now there is a law which says that people are not allowed to kill the animals. People can be punished for hunting the animals. Children, do you know that the number of birds are decreasing day by day? What do you think? Why the number of birds are decreasing day by day? Where have all the birds gone? Previously, there were many birds. We could see many different types of birds. But nowadays, the number of birds are decreasing. Why has this happened? This is because the environment required for the birds is not present. It's not available to them. Due to cutting down of the trees, the environment has changed and the number of birds have decreased. So children, what do you think? We should cut trees or grow more trees? Yes, of course, we should grow more trees to make our environment fresh and green. Grow more trees, avoid pollution. Save trees, save environment. Thank you.